हमारे साथ ही मौजूद रहेगा। आपको बताते चले कि सेनेट का इजलास शुरू हो चुका है। सेनेट इजलास हम आपको उसके कुछ मनाज़िर दिखाएंगे।
Nominated by the President of Pakistan in terms of Sub Rule 2 of Rule 9 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in Senate 2012. In this regard, the President of Pakistan has been pleased to nominate Senator Syed Muzaffar Hussain Shah as the presiding officer for this special sitting of the Senate and to conduct the election of the Chairman Senate. Now I would like to invite and request Senator Muzaffar Hussain Shah to take the chair. He will first take oath of the new elected members and then in the later part conduct election to the office of the Chairman. Sir, if you would please take the chair.
सेनेट का इजलास शुरू हो चुका है जिसमें ऐलान किया गया जनाब के सदर पाकिस्तान ने सेनेटर सैयद मुजफ्फर हुसैन शाह को आज के इंतखाबात के लिए एज ए प्रिजाइडिंग ऑफिसर नामजद किया है, जिसके बाद अब से कुछ देर में नए अरकान हलफ उठाएंगे और फिर जो मौजूदा चेयरमैन सेनेट हैं उनके सबकदोश होने के बाद जो नए सेनेटर के इंतखाबात हैं वो शुरू हो जाएंगे।
बिल्कुल जी, सेनेट का इजलास शुरू हो गया है। ये बराह रास्त मनाजिर आपको दिखा रहे हैं। 9 मुंतखब अरकान हलफ उठाएंगे कुछ देर बाद।
विश यू ऑल वेल। दिस सेशन, दिस स्पेशल सिटिंग ऑफ द सेनेट will be basically in relation to the oath taking of the new members who have been elected as such. In addition thereto, I will also tell you that nomination papers for the post of chairman and deputy chairman with their proposals can be filed in the office of the Senate Secretariat by 12 o'clock. The nomination paper needs to be proposed by a senator along with a statement of the contesting candidate that he or she has consented to contest the election for the chairman or the deputy chairman. The scrutiny will take place in the afternoon, and thereafter in the afternoon session, after Friday prayers, we will reconvene at 3 o'clock for the election for the post of chairman of the Senate of Pakistan. And now I will call upon the members-elect to kindly rise in their seats for the purposes of taking oath. Those who are desirous of taking their oath in Urdu will kindly repeat after me. मैं सद के दिल से हलफ उठाता हूँ कि मैं खुलूस नीयत से पाकिस्तान का हामी और वफादार रहूँगा, कि बेहैसियत सेनेट मैं अपने कारनामे मंसूबी ईमानदारी अपनी इंतहाई सलाहियत वफादारी के साथ इस्लामी जमहूरियत पाकिस्तान के आइन और कानून और सेनेट के कवायद के मुताबिक और हमेशा पाकिस्तान की खुद मुख्तारी, सालमियत, इस्तेहकाम, बहबूदी और खुशहाली के खातिर अंजाम दूंगा, कि मैं इस्लामी नज़रिए को बरकरार रखने के लिए कोशा रहूँगा और मैं कि जो कि क़याम पाकिस्तान की बुनियाद है, और ये कि मैं इस्लामी जमहूरियत पाकिस्तान के आइन को बरकरार रखूँगा और इसका तहफ़्फ़ुज़ और दिफा करूँगा। अल्लाह ताला मेरी मदद और रहनुमाई फरमाए, आमीन। इस पे दस्तखत कर दें आप। जी सर, एक मिनट। जी सर।
Can I have the floor?
Rule does not allow.
Sir, are you presiding the House or is someone else presiding the House?
But at the same time,
Sir,
If someone else is presiding the House, then I will act accordingly.
no provision in our rule that can.
There is no provision in the rules for putting cameras at the polling station. There is no provision in the rules. It is against the Constitution. It is against Article 226. It is against the reference that you moved to the Supreme Court of Pakistan, which held that elections to the office of the Chairman Senate are to be held under Article 226. Mr. President.
Okay, एक मिनट। Okay, रजा साहब, 1 minute, please resume your seat. Please, I've heard you. Please sit down. Please sit down. बेटे जी, एक बात आप sir, please sit down 1 minute. Just देखे जी, रजा रब्बानी साहब, I've heard you. देखे जी, रजा साहब, I've heard you. You've had your. Okay, sir. Rabbani Sahab, Raza Sahab, do you want the senators to take oath or no? So then please kindly resume your order. ये टांगी साहब, टांगी साहब, वो टांगी साहब, ये रबानी साहब जरा सा लेटेस्ट यू एक मिनट वसीम साहब, 1 मिनट। स्वाति रबानी साहब, नाउ ठीक है जी। अजय रजा साहब, प्लीज रिज्यूम योर सीट नाउ। ये बैठे, तशरीफ रखें प्लीज। ये जरा तशरीफ रखें जी। बीबी, शेरी बीबी, टांगी साहब, ये सेक्रेटरी साहब, you kindly call the names of the members in alphabetical order for signing the roll. Yeah. अच्छा जी, सुने, 1 मिनट सुने। Raza Rabbani Sahab, now you remain the chairman of the Senate. Please show some patience also, some tolerance. I've heard the leader of the House, I've heard Mr. Swati. Now let us at least take the trouble of basically getting on with it. You have pointed out, I am directing that the polling booth should be constructed afresh to your satisfaction and the government satisfaction. Just listen to me. Just listen to me. You had your say, now let me also speak basically. Kindly take your seat. Please, Mr. Farooq Naik, you also remain the chairman of the Senate. Let me speak also, Naji. Please let me speak. Under Rule 9, the rules basically, we are all custodian of these rules. Rule 9 says that on the day of the special sitting, no other business shall be transacted, all business is excluded, excepting for the oath of the members elect and the election for the chairman and the Senate. I've heard you. I am directing that the polling booth be constructed afresh. You can inspect it. I will maintain or direct that basically the secrecy of the vote is maintained thoroughly by all parties. Now, I will call upon the secretary to call the members. Sir, now I am not going to listen. Sir, please call, sir. Aja sune. Call the member. Secretary Sahab, please call the names of the members in alphabetical order for signing the rolls. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please. Sir, afterward, now we are basically calling the members for signing the rolls. Ji, Secretary Sahab, please call the members.
With the permission
call
of
the members.
presiding officer.
Please call the members' names in alphabetical order.
Members of the Senate.
Ji.
One by one in alphabetical order.
I'll give you a ruling, but let me complete the process. Dear, 1 minute. Sir, aap bete na bete. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute. The ruling is, I'll give you the ruling. The ruling is that under Rule 9, no other business can be transacted excepting the oath basically of new elected members, and no other point can be raised. Sorry, sir, I've ruled it out. Ajay ji, Secretary Sahab, why can't you call the members, Naji? Call the members' names.
First of all,
sir, election under Rule 9, no other business shall be transacted excepting for oath and for the purposes of election of the chairman and deputy chairman. Secretary Sahab, zara bulaiye na aap.
Sir, may I call upon first Maulana Abdul Ghafoor Haidari Sahab to sign the roll
Maulana
of...
Abdul Ghafoor Sahab, aaye zara roll dastkhat karen, please. I have given a ruling. I have given my ruling that under Rule 9, no other issue can be raised excepting the oath and the election of the chairman and deputy chairman. Ji, Ghafoor Sahab, aaiye please.
Instead of saving up for a new toy or a trip to Disney World, a 7-year-old
بدلاً من توفير لعبة جديدة
来自阿拉巴马州的一名7岁女孩没有花 एक नए खिलौने या डिज्नी वर्ल्ड की यात्रा के लिए बचत करने के बजाय अल्बामा
Anstatt für ein neues Spielzeug oder eine Reise nach Disney World zu sparen, hat
En stade für un eus qu'elles EODN Reise nach Disney World zus parents.